Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on multiplication. A simple explanation of multiplication is to say that it is a form of repeated addition. Also, we can say that multiplication is the process of taking equal groups and combining or adding them together. Let us look at a few examples to illustrate the above explanations. Let's look at this group of 3 apples here and another group of 3 apples there. The above picture shows us 2 groups of apples. If we combine or add the 2 groups together, we get the following. We get a group of apples here. We can see that we end up with 6 apples. 3 plus 3 equals 6. Another way of looking at the above number sentence is as follows. 2 times 3 equals 6. The next example. We have a group of 4 marbles and another group of 4 marbles and another group of 4 marbles. 3 groups of 4 marbles equals 3 times 4, which equals 12 marbles. Another example. 4 groups of 5 bananas. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. So there are 4 groups. Each group has 5 bananas. That's 20 bananas altogether, which is the same as 4 times 5 equals 20 bananas. See the repeated addition? You add each of those groups together. Okay, there's your repeated addition. And that's the same as multiplication. Using numbers only. If we add those numbers together, that's repeated addition, that's 5 times 2 and that gives you 10. If we add all those numbers together, repeated addition, 6 times 5 is 30. If we add those 7 numbers together, 7 sixes are 42. Add those 4 numbers together, 4 tens are 40. So you can see from those 4 examples, again, that multiplication is a form of repeated addition. Combining different groups. So we can do the same thing with different groups. Let's have a look what we have here. 1 group, 2 group, 3 groups. So we have 3 groups there. Each group has 2 oranges. Look what we have here. 1, 2. We've got 2 groups here, and each group has 4 oranges. So 3 groups of 2 oranges plus 2 groups of 4 oranges. 3 times 2 plus 2 times 4. 3 twos are 6. 2 fours are 8. 6 plus 8 gives you 14 oranges. If we just use numbers only, without any pictures, 2 times 5 plus 3 times 4, 2 5s are 10, 3 4s are 12, 10 plus 12 is 22. Second example, 4 times 3 plus 5 times 6, 4 3s are 12, 5 6s are 30, 12 plus 30 is 42. And finally, 2 times 4 plus 3 times 5 plus 4 times 3. 2 4s are 8, 3 5s are 15, 4 3s are 12. 8 plus 15 plus 12 gives us 35. So this video has given you a good indication how multiplication is a form of repeated addition.